From the kennels of the Isaac comes Paws-itive Blueprint for responsible dog ownership. Mary Poppins, taking care of animal welfare, a spoonful of pawsome snacks at a time. Sherlock Bones, the community safety watchdog on Paw Patrol. And Bark Vader, using his lightsaber for the good of paw-abiding citizens. And so, the people of Isaac unite, closing the gate on poopy dog ownership and unleashing pure people. Pup power. With Isaac Council's Paws-itive Blueprint for responsible dog ownership, helping to energize the world.